Hi, this is a Quilder app. The main screen of the Quilder app showing the main job screen. You have jobs that's your draft, which you've not yet completed, and I don't have any draft jobs. And you have finished jobs, which are all the jobs that I've done and kind of completed, sent to customers. The application basically allows you to create invoices and estimates and quotations, and create them in PDF format and send them to your clients. So let me just create a job to show you what it does. Let's create an estimate, and first thing to do is first thing to do actually is to change the name of the estimate. So I'm going to make this an estimate for a new socket. So I'm an electrical contractor here and I'm fitting a new socket for a client. If I go to client details here, then I have company contacts or phone contacts. I haven't set up any company contacts, so these are people who are on my phone, and I'll hit this guy Joe Jones and I can check his details here and press done, and his details are added to the job. So I will then add parts, clicking the add parts button. What I can then do, I have parts that I've used previously, but I can also search for parts. So I can say, let me say 13 amp, we're in the UK, 13 amp socket. So I'm going to be fitting a socket for somebody. So I'm looking for a switch socket. So here's a switch socket at £1.03. So I'll click on that. I can view the supplier. This is from Wix, so I can view the supplier and see the socket there on the actual Wix website, just to make sure it's the correct socket. So I can also view locations where the nearest Wix is, or Wix is that has that particular socket. But I'm just going to go ahead, taking their price. In fact, what I'll do is I'll mark up the price a wee bit here, so I'll make that £1.50 just for markup on this. And then if I then say done, just add part here, I can add the part. So I now have the part added to my estimate. I'm going to put in labour, and I've already got fitting, which I've previously saved. So what I'm going to do here is I'll just add something else, and I'll make that electrician. And I'll make that an hour or per hour. And I'll just say that the electrician is charged out at £30 an hour, and the minimum we can charge is, say, an hour there. And we therefore have an estimate with parts and with labour. And total, it's including VAT here, but if you weren't in the UK and didn't have VAT, you'd have sales tax, and you can set up, there are settings in the app, you can set up your own sales tax. So I'll just say that this is a description of work here. I'll just say fit socket. Oops, if I could spell, fit socket. Okay, and this is our quote ready to go. So if I hit the big orange button on the top right here, then I can now see a preview. And this is, so the name of our company here is Pucker Builders. So this is, we've uploaded our logo, which you can do on the phone and do on an accompanying website to the Quilder product. And basically you'll see that we have two lines on the invoice showing the name of the part and the labour, along with the VAT rate, sales tax rate, wherever you are, and the totals. And you'll see the net total at the bottom here. And that's basically the quotation created. So now what I can do, if I hit the orange button with a tick on it at the bottom right, it's now saying that I've finished editing. So I'm now saving this quote estimate. I can't actually change it after this. And now it's showing me the final quotation ready to send. What I can do is I can then send it by email. send your estimate by email. Yep. And it's composed it. It's coming from our email address on our phone and to this guy, Joe Jones, showing the estimate, and it's got the new socket.pdf, which is the estimate that we've actually created. If I then hit the send here on the top, that message is now sent to the customer, so they now have a PDF. So it's as simple as that. The app's currently free, so I encourage you to download it and give it a try. Thank you.